And it's been going crazy, man. You know, because right now, first off, everybody's traveling now because, you know, COVID is kind of ending and everything else or whatnot, because everybody getting vaccines and stuff. So people feeling more safe to be outside. But the issue with COVID is that they didn't produce a lot of cars because of that.
Yeah.
So the car
A lot
rental
of people don't know that.
agencies, yeah, they don't. So the car rental agencies right now they're lacking cars. And so more people are finding out that, hey, listen, I can go to Turo and I can go rent a car from somebody and I can get a different type of car. For instance, a Tesla. You're not going to find out a budget or enterprise.
Yeah, facts.
You know? And so that's which is so cool, is that you can actually rent out your personal car and be able to make cash flow from it, you know, and it's seamless. They literally can go on the app, order it just like Airbnb. And, you know, they pay you every 2 days pretty much.